Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to add photo to resume in Canva. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To add a photo to your Canva resume, start by uploading your photo. For example, here I already have mine ready. Drag your photo and place it in the Uploads folder within Canva. You should see it being uploaded to the platform. Once the upload is complete, click on the photo to select it. Now, you can position the photo anywhere on your resume. For example, I want to place mine in the top left corner. You can adjust the size and position to your preference. If you want to add the photo in a specific shape instead of a square, go to the Elements section. Search for frames and you'll find various shapes to choose from. Let's say you want to use a circle. Click on the circle frame, drag it to your desired location on the resume, and then drag your photo into the circle frame. The photo will automatically conform to the shape of the frame. Resize the frame and photo as needed to fit your design. And there you have it. That's how you can add a photo to your Canva resume. So that's basically how to add photo to resume in Canva. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.